All right, a quick update on Arc Block here. So we are zooming out to the macro monthly chart here just to get a better view of what potentially is going on with Arc Block. And if we simply draw a very large support and resistance box here, this is the previous high all the way back down or back in 2018, as you can see here. And this is the Gate IO chart. This thing went sideways for many a year here, and then it did end up breaking that high. And as you can see, we're still in this general area, even off of this giant wick here. We're holding this once resistance, now turned support on the macro scale of things here for Arc Block. So it's looking good. And you can also see on the chart, low to the high, we are holding over the much more macro 236 here at 161. We're currently at 170, down almost 7% on the week here. And as long as you're holding over 161 on this larger time frame, it looks good, especially off of this wick. It's merely back testing this previous high here, and on this scale, it looks good in my opinion. So just wanted to point that out. I know we've been covering it on the weekly time frame here and getting a lot more smaller prices to watch, but we're focusing more on the macro here. So as long as we're above 161, potentially this thing's starting to put in a bottom. And of course, once we move back over 173 up to 195, about a 15% move, then hopefully we'll take a shot again at that 1272 here and try to get up to that 525 level. So let me move that smaller one off of the chart here, and we're just going to simply measure it and keep it that simple for now. As long as Arc Block is testing that macro support area, if we can get to the 1272, let's remeasure. That is a 200% move, so a 3x. And then the next stop after that is the 1414 at 880 almost, a 5x up to that $867 billion market cap, or million rather. And then we have our 10x, 10.5x up to the 1618 here, up to 1840. And that's going to give you that 1.8, almost a $2 billion market cap on Arc Block here. And then, of course, we have our very high target, almost $200, the $19 billion market cap on ABT here. And that's going to give you a 121x from today, sitting on the macro support level here, which is that 236, of course. And like I pointed out in the beginning, the previous high from 2018, holding that general area here. So on the macro scale of things, it looks good here. So just wanted to put that out there for you guys that are invested in Arc Block, that on the much more macro time frame, it's bullish. That's what I'm trying to get across with all those words there. So with that being said, how bullish are you on Arc Block? None of this is financial advice. What is your top target? And I will see you in the next one. Peace out.